There have been great improvements in camera and recording technologies, and the use of cameras and surveillance is a commonplace in our daily lives. We may not always be aware of it, but cameras are everywhere. Cameras can be strategically placed to monitor traffic, factories, homes, and even agriculture. The captured images and data can be used to improve, prevent, or secure homes, factories, roads, or farmland. Cameras are also used to monitor people, equipment, or places. The captured images or information can be uploaded to data centers, and through AI, this data can be analyzed to detect abnormalities and prevent potential accidents. Hard disk drives are the best solution to store and quickly analyze the thousands of images. Toshiba specifically designed surveillance-class hard disk drives are the perfectly suited to handle this complex task. Toshiba surveillance hard disk drives are built for the 24/7 environment and provide up to 180 terabytes per year workload rating. These hard disk drives have built-in rotation vibration sensors and are scalable up to 64 cameras.